Sacramento Anime.
No one's logged in yet.
Nope.
You can't say it yet until someone logs in, then you gotta say it. Jay, drop something.
Awesome.
Salty! Salty! Where's Zion? She's your child.
Smells like patchouli.
What?
Smells like patchouli.
I don't know what that smells like. My nose is still.
Hey, Dad. Grandpa's on.
Oh!
Say hi, Grandpa.
Creepiest face ever.
There's the baby. Look at this crowd. It's like Disneyland.
No!
He said
no,
hi.
Disneyland was worse.
Oh my gosh.
Unlock 20 fools.
We haven't seen him yet. There's a Disney animator here, though. He was on the other side. I forgot to get his picture, though.
You're live streaming, right?
Yeah. Boy.
Can I show them a recap on my college?
A recap?
Tell everyone what I got.
Grandpa says hi, Seamus.
Ow! Can you not?
I'm not even touching you! No, I'm not. I'm going like this.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Oh,
Thank you.
Hey, babe.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
All this stuff.
Pokemon.
Huh? Oh, cool. We come over here. Mario and Luigi.
Oh my
Volcanion.
What? Oh. Oh, it's from the Power Rangers.
Always kind of cute.
This place is huge. This is all over.
We just want to remind you about the Mustard Seed Foundation raffle that is going to be happening in just about an hour. We have lots of beautiful things donated by many of the dealers here today. Some of them include cake charms, Roxy and Rose Creations,
Oh, you awesome one.
AnimeAccessories.net.
Mateo's going to show some Pokemon cards.
Got these out of Steam Siege packs. I literally got these two in the same pack. And then I got these two. Volcanion, the main man of the pack. This guy. And then these two. Then I opened up a first edition card pack. Got a Weeping Bell and Victory
This is
Bell.
a person named Rebecca. She's also
What?
known as Rose Quartz. So if you're a person named Rebecca,
I don't know where the others are.
with Rose Quartz, please come to the announcement booth. We have someone looking for you.
Debating. Grandpa said it was you, Daria. Grandpa said it was you. Oh, look at that mug. It's
Salty. They're like $30.
oh, are they? I feel surrounded.
Tangela.
I can't.
I got the basic versions of those one guys, but these normal, not as shiny. Look
Let me
at
turn
all
around.
these cards.
Hoy.
He fell asleep.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Look at all these cards. Look at all these cards.
He's sleeping. Oh no.
You have more than that. I know that.
He fell asleep.
Huh?
Seamus fell asleep. Huh. Let's stay by the garbage here. We're going across.
Can we go searching? I don't have any money for drinks. How do I get? Can I get a drink?
I don't get anything today. I'll just buy like
I don't
a
know
new
where they are.
cosplay or something. Or look online. I got $50. I can get cosplay. Where?
It's Wario.
Where's Reggie?
Okay, I'm gonna end for a second. I don't know how much data this is using. I'll be back.